Hey guys, and welcome back to Making Paper Airplanes. Today we're making the Close Encounter. Don't be surprised if this interstellar traveler tries to swoop straight up into space. The saucer-like wings give this craft an unpredictable loopy flight. So I just went ahead here and cut off these edges from just printed letters piece of paper. So it's just kind of a half circle and it's a nice feel to the plane. So then, like always, we fold this aircraft in half. If you haven't seen my other plane videos, you should go back and watch them. Alright, so after we do that, we want to fold in both corners. Don't worry if you get these corners absolutely perfect. These dudes are going to be kind of hidden inside. Alright, so then after that we're going to fold down. So this line here that we created from making the folding the corners in, we're just going to fold down on that and do that there. So then after that, we're going to fold these top corners in here to create, so we're going to fold it into the point of where this corner here, it doesn't go out of this line, it's just kind of right inside, almost out. So we're going to do that for both sides. Just kind of make this corner, kind of give it a more roundish feel to it, not necessarily round. Just try and make it close to the line, as close as possible. And after that, we're going to fold this edge down. So going about 1/4 inch, and then fold this top down to give it even kind of a more rounded feel. And after that, we're going to fold the plane in half, and then we're going to, about 1 inch out, we're going to fold open these wings. This is the Close Encounter. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see more like it, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.